who drew the impossible dream, to part the unbeatable road, to bear with unbearable sorrow, to hide where the bread do not grow, to hide the unwritable wrong, to love your enchased from afar, to try when your arms are too weary to reach the unreachable star. This is my quest to follow that star, no matter how hopeless, no matter how far, willing to march into hell without heavenly call. And I know if I'll only be true to this glorious quest, that my heart will lay peaceful and calm when I lay to my rest, and the world will be better for this, that one man scorned and covered in scorn, still strong with his last ounce of courage, to reach the